Big body coming through, man. The camera, get off the. These are collectibles at this point. It's like 100 masks in here. What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, ladies and fellas in the back? I see y'all. Nique here, and I'm back with another home update. Oh my goodness, y'all. Happy Vlogmas! It's Vlogmas. I know y'all so hyped because it's almost Christmas. Well, not almost Christmas, but you know what I mean. Speaking of Vlogmas, I don't know how I'm about to be doing this Vlogmas thing. Like, I'm not gonna vlog every day, but you are gonna get more than one videos, okay? Don't hold me to it now, but you definitely gonna get more videos. Because sis, it was just a struggle to make this dang on video. Like, y'all see how dark it is right now? It's dark outside already. No, the lighting's gonna be bad. Yeah, it's dark now. I get off of work at 3:30 or 4:30 depending on how long I want to stay. But it's like, y'all, I work 6 days a week and I work 9 to 10 hours a day. So that is why I'm saying that I don't think I can commit to doing a video every day. And I don't want to lie to y'all, I want to keep it real, you know what I'm saying? We keep it funky over here, you know? But anyways, as you read by the title, like I said, I'm giving you guys a home update video today, and we're actually on our way to the house right now. We are still scheduled to be closing at the end of December, which I'm excited about, but y'all, it's just been a little stressful. And right about now, I'm about to have to vent. So can you just listen, like get some snacks or something and just listen to me because I gotta vent. So I don't know if y'all watched my engagement video. If you haven't watched that video, go watch it. Like, what are you doing? But anyway, I am like planning a wedding and we're building a house at the same time. So it's a lot going on for me right now. On top of working and on top of trying to really make YouTube videos. Like, honestly, I don't know. It's just a lot on my plate right now. Heck, maybe I'm just complaining. Like, I should be grateful, but it's just like planning a wedding, building a house, working, YouTube. It's just a lot. Like, and then for the fact that I thought I could just get on here and really just hold my camera, upload a video, girl, no. I be editing videos for a good 5 to 6 hours. That's enough ranting. Because honestly, I hate even picking up the camera when I feel like I'm irritated or I feel like I just have so much going on. I feel really busy because I'm big on energy, and I feel like if my energy is off, how am I gonna be making a video for y'all? How? Like, how? Because how? Y'all, but I want y'all to click on my video and be like, oh, we about to turn up, we about to hang with Nique, you know what I'm saying? I want y'all to be like, oh, this old boring. But anyways, y'all, I just really running my mouth and talking because we on our way to the house, so like I gotta drive there, so like we might as well talk. And you know what, I don't even freaking listen to music anymore while I'm in the car. That's the crazy thing. Like, I will listen to my own inner thoughts. Like, I got so much going on, child, I don't need to listen to music. But what y'all know I have been listening to all freaking day is Summer Walker. No, not Summer Walker. SZA, I Hate You. I love that song right now. It's so weird, I hate you, but I love that song. But I like that song right now. And like, it don't even be having nothing pertaining to my life, but I just love the vibes. I like that vibe. Ooh, what is this man doing? He almost got hit, man. What you doing, man? Big body coming through, man. I was over at the house like what, a week or so ago, and they had the carpet done, which is lighter than what I thought, but I guess we're gonna have to work with it. Not a big deal, I don't really think, you know. Girl, is the lights on in the crib? Girl, is the lights on in the crib? Is somebody here? Girl, hold on, should I get out? I don't know. I be so nervous. I'm gonna go see though. Let's see. Let's see. I don't care, people here. Should I care? I don't care. Boy, if you don't get. And here looks like something they about to be doing over there. Don't really know. But they got the snow off of the sidewalk and stuff. Look like they got the light on in there. Oh, they do got the light on in there. It's muddy. They got the screen. Okay. It's too muddy to go back there, y'all. I'm so sorry. It's so muddy. But if y'all could see right now, they have a whole light fixture in and the light is on. I don't know what they got going on in here, y'all. Boxes and stuff and cement. I be uploading these videos like, oh my gosh, home update. And I really though, it's just like, okay, like I'm irritated low-key a little bit because like y'all taking all day, this piece of hair sticking up, but y'all taking all day and y'all are just like delaying stuff. Like the siding is not even done still, girl, and they talking about we're supposed to be moving in December. I don't understand. The siding is not done, so I don't know how long that take. Well, actually I do know how long it take because I Google everything, but it said it take 2 weeks. So now if it's gonna take 2 weeks, they need to go ahead and do it tomorrow, because if you telling me we supposed to be closing end of the week and we getting all our closing paperwork and stuff done. Oh, that's another thing. If you want me to do an in-depth video basically on what they're asking for like the closing, you know, fees and whatever, hidden fees, because it's a lot of fees, girl, that I didn't even know. Child, they charging for mailboxes, tree, one little bushy scrawny tree that's in front of your house. They charging for everything. It don't make no sense. And why am I looking up there? I'm supposed to be looking right here the whole time. Sorry, sis. But yes, girl, they charging for everything. It don't make no sense. Like, I'm happy, but I'm a little bit stressed, especially when I'm trying to do the dang old wedding. I'm trying to clean y'all off. There's something right here. But anyways, so that is pretty much the update right now, y'all. I see they have a light on inside of there. I don't know if y'all got to see it or not, but the light is on. They have a light fixture in there, which is going to get changed anyway, because you know, once you start getting your paperwork ready to close, you have to basically close within that time that you did your paperwork type of thing. I mean, they may give you extension, but it's just best to do everything just boom boom boom, like just boom boom boom, you know what I'm saying? And they just taking all day with the boom. And I got my boom, they don't got their boom. But anyways, I'm done running my mouth here. Like I said, that is pretty much the update right about now for the house. I should have got a car wash today. We'll get a car wash tomorrow. But yeah, this piece of hair, like, why are you trying to take my shine? I am the main character, not you. Basically, I'm about to go to my parents' house right now and go pick up a sweater that I ordered off of Amazon, and to go pick up this little cute vase I got off of Z Gallery. I will show you guys in a minute. Get off the camera! Get off the camera! My car is so freaking dirty, but anyways, I know everybody's car is looking like this, bruh. When I tell you, these are collectibles at this point. It's like 100 masks in here. The heck? How much safety do I need? Let me get my mama house. Let me go.
If it was in the back, I'll see you.
We got our shirts I was telling y'all about. We're gonna wear for our pictures. Mom excited. We all excited. It matched perfect. I'm gonna try mine on in a minute. I should have tried it on right now, shouldn't I? Let me try it on. But it's cute. It's cute. It's giving a little. It's giving a little bit. Giving it. Yes. You look so cute, girl. You look so cute, girl. You gonna cut me? Okay. She's cutting me with these paper scissors. Ah! They actually hurt it. Boy, they actually hurt it.
Wow.
It's the vase right here, y'all.
No, my friend has something exactly like that.
Really?
It's like a little bit bigger.
It's so cute. I forgot how much it was. I'm gonna leave it down in the description box though, y'all. But I'm about to put some flowers in there so y'all can see how, you know, how it really would look. But alright, y'all, so that pretty much wraps up this vlog. Thank you so much for hanging with me. I really appreciate it. You know I do, boo. So stay tuned for the rest of the vlogs. Now I'm gonna try to do one every day or every other day. I don't know, don't hold me to it, but just stay tuned for Vlogmas. I hope you're doing good. I hope you have a good day tomorrow, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.